Right guys, the last couple of videos you've seen the base gravy, you've seen a beautiful chicken korma. Now it's time to get spicy with Steve and Heap. We are going to make a NAGA chicken curry. I've tried the NAGA and it's spicy guys. This one is going to be an absolute banger. Let's get to the kitchen and start cooking. Well, Steve's going to start cooking a NAGA chicken curry.
Make this recipe with whatever hot chili or hot pickle you have, but first of all we're going to just fry off a portion of chicken for one person, one brave person. Let's add a touch of cumin, flavour the oil. Fire in the hole! Touch more oil. So the chicken's been frying off for a couple of minutes. Got a little bit of caramelisation. So let's just check. So it's just about sealed. So the chicken's had a good roast. It's now fully cooked. Next we're going to add some pre-cooked onion, which is just onion fried with a little bit of salt and turmeric. Flash in the pan. Next to that we're going to add a little freshly chopped garlic and a good spoonful of ginger and garlic paste. Don't worry about the caramelisation on the bottom of the pan, that's intensified flavour that's going to come off very shortly and add to the flavour of the dish. So a pinch of salt, salt to taste, pot of beautiful base gravy there. Mix powder. So for the best mix powder available, check out Taste of India on eBay. Give all that a good stir, just scrape all that goodness off the bottom of the pan. And a couple more portions, but let's just add one of these. I'm handling it with pincers because it's extremely hot. So let's just get a really good sizzle on that. I can feel those NAGA vapours really filling the air at the moment. Very well ventilated kitchen with the back door open, the side window open. So if you're ever caught eating a really hot chili, go for the milk, cold milk, not the water. It makes the burn more intense. So are you ready, Rob? I've given you a teaspoon.
So. Cheers. Smells amazing. Smells absolutely gorgeous. So we'll grab some chicken, big piece, and a nice spoon of sauce. So here goes the Steve and Heap's NAGA chicken curry. Oh. Chicken is tender, moist, flavoursome, but then you get that NAGA chili heat. So I'm just going to go just for the sauce as well. See what happens. Flavour is amazing. That gets a 10 out of 10. Absolutely. Probably one of the best curries I've ever tried. And the heat
that's
rating.
great. That's great.
I'd probably give that. It's actually, I was going to say a 2, but it's like slowly working its way down my throat, and the heat is getting hotter and hotter. But I like my spice.
So it's a creeper.
It's definitely a creeper. If you was a non-chili head, you'd probably give this an 8 or a 9 for heat, because it's like just tickling the back of my throat, which is a lovely sensation, which I enjoy, which some people don't. But if you like a bit of spice, you might give it a 5 or a 6. I'm going to give it a 3. In that curry, definitely is better than heat. When you have a good curry, you want it to be hot if that's what you want, but if you don't, if it's not flavoursome, there's no point.
That's great.
There is an absolute banger.
That's exactly why Kamal cultivated those types of chilies, for flavour and heat. So, thanks for watching.